been such a mess the last week. I have been working so hard on my internship and suddenly I am a giant pile of crumbling anxiety and mess in a room that looks like a dumpster. I know it's really not as bad as other people's room, but still, it is bad. I am just going to try on a couple of clothes and let's try a massive closet clean out because I have an emotional attachment to clothes, so this is going to be a hard one. You'll regret donating these clothes. Don't talk to me that way. You'll regret this entire video. Stop it. Stop talking to me that way. You stink. Let's just ignore my emotional attachment demons and get started into this video. I'm currently creating an even bigger mess. Oh my god. Hi. Let's continue. I think this is my life now. Cause holy shit, this feels so satisfying. And last one, whee! Welcome to my room. This is so not okay anymore. Girl, we need to talk. This is not okay. I didn't even know I had this much. And I'm freaking out because I have to go through all that. And I thought of myself as a person who didn't have much, especially not with clothing. So I just kept like buying new stuff, you know, buying secondhand stuff. Like, it's cheap, I don't have that much money, like let's just buy cute clothing. I don't know where it went, but all these clothes were just piled up in the other room. This is definitely gonna take a while. And I thought I wanted to be a minimalist.
Oh joh. En dan een ding heet naar hieronder.
Volgens mij heb ik alles.
Je hebt echt alles.
Ik denk het, ja. Ik dacht echt dat ik niet veel had.
Ja. Ik dacht dat ook. Je zei zelf, ik heb niet zoveel kleding.
Weet ik.
Ik draag steeds hetzelfde. Niet normaal. Heb je er een foto van gemaakt?
Ja.
Maar dan heb je die gestuurd.
Oh, ik ben het aan het filmen. Even my hair is giving up on this. Like, it's too much. It's too damn much. Oh god, I never knew that I was starting something like this. I honestly regret taking everything out of my closet and the other room because now I see how much I actually have, so BAM! Capitalism in the face. Why? It looks like a button to turn me on or off, but oh. Look, I climbed Mount Pinterest. Sorry, really bad joke. Oh god. Go away, Grandpa! Oh. I am not okay. What is this? Oh my god. I think I found the courage to actually clean up. Oh shit. I lost my virginity. Where is my confidence? If you want to know where I'm throwing at, this side is no, this behind my back is meh, and this on my bed is yeah. Okay, so those are my piles. Keep that in your mind. So yeah, yeah, meh, meh, no, yeah, yeah, no, meh, meh. That was not processed. In this sweater, I did the most horrible thing to myself, and the most horrible things, plural. I'm just gonna say it plain and straight. So in this sweater I had my eating disorder basically. In this sweater I had my depression and I had everything, and it makes me really emotionally attached to this because on one hand I've always felt comfortable in this sweater, even on the hardest times in my life, but on the other hand, every time I see this sweater, I think about that past. I think about all those bad times I had and all that I've been through, and then I'm like thinking like, why am I keeping it? And I don't know what to do with it because I still really love it. It's kind of worn out. I don't know if you can see that. It is like a memory and I still really love the color. It still really suits me. A lot of this clothing I've had for so long. I even have a few pieces that I still had in my childhood when I was like 12 or something, and I still wear it today. Keeping this sweater might hold me back in starting a new part of my life, which I think cleaning out your closet is. I am starting this new image of myself that I want. That's why I bought this sweater that I'm currently wearing, because I wanted to try a new style and I wanted to try and be a new me. I think I'm just gonna do like one last photo shoot with the items that I really loved for so many years, but that I am going to donate with pain in my heart. Like, I think that's the best thing to do, to give it a one last thank you. And then to let everything go. Why am I even crying about clothing? Like, I'm not even... Oh god. Apparently this is how hard it is to donate clothing. Like, some of you might say like, oh, you're just being stupid, like, silly, it's just clothing, it's just fabric, but it's memories. Like, also, these trousers, I finally fit them again. Like, I finally like myself wearing them and I like how I look, but the thing is that these trousers I've had since the beginning of my eating disorder, and it was so hard. Now when I think of it, every time I look at these pair of trousers, I think about everything that I let myself and I pushed myself through. Like, I think it's time. It is time, guys. Thank you for everything, but this is it. Now just every time I see a sweater or pants that I didn't feel good in, I start crying. There's so many clothing that I couldn't get rid of, but still every time I wore them I felt really bad about myself and I felt really not comfortable. And it's something I should have realized way before this moment. So please, this is a sign that you should clean out your closet. Just let go of the past, like you need it. You'll be surprised at how much better it's going to feel to get rid of old stuff and bring in the new. I'm gonna keep going. Verschrikkelijk dit.